Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is CorieTips and today I'm doing for you a nude makeup tutorial for beginners. As you can see, it looks like I'm not wearing anything, but there you go. So I'm actually wearing a dress. This is a makeup look that you can wear as an everyday look, and you can also wear this even if you're a bride and for any outing you wish to go to. So let's get it started. So I'll be using Pond's Oil Control for my face. So I'll also be using Maybelline foundation in 355 Coconut. Next is LA Girl in Warm Honey as my concealer. So I'll be applying it on this foundation brush. I'm going to use my sponge to push it in properly. Going straight to my concealer. And I'm just going to take it all the way to my brow bone area. Yes, I took it all the way to my eyelid as well. Next is my nose. Do not forget the forehead. This place can dry out quickly, especially because you applied very little. I'm getting there. And I love to contour. What do you think about that? I usually love to contour with my powder, but today I think I'll just contour with foundation. So I'm going to be using Black Opal foundation in Carob. This is quite dark, so just going to blend.
So right, we're losing track of time, buying things online and it's not like we need them. We don't need them. So can we just slow?
Up next is my Sacha Butter Cosmetics powder. I love this powder. So while my face is setting, I'm going to be using this Motec pencil. So I'm going to use my foundation to define my brow right here. And then my concealer for the brow bone. So I'll be applying the same concealer on my eyelid. So I'll be using this palette by Morphe and Jaclyn Hill. This palette is really gorgeous. I don't know why it was discontinued, but I love the palette. It has some nude colors, and I'm going to be transitioning with this nude color first, and then I'm going to go to this other brown color. It's almost like I'm not applying anything because it just blends perfectly into my skin. I can even use it right here, and it will just blend into this contour. And then I'm going to move to my setting powder. I'm going to use it to highlight my brow bone. Not to forget, I would like to apply some foundation on my brows, just to make it appear a bit lighter. I love my brows looking very seamless and natural. So if you have brow gel, please feel free to use your brow gel. Just want to take the space in a bit more. Next is this color. I'm using it at the outer corner. And I'm just going to take it in a bit. And I'll be moving to this Magic Palette by Juvia's Place. I'll be using this nude color. It is beigey and absolutely gorgeous. Back into the brown, just bring the contour in a bit without adding any product on the brush. And just brush it. Next is my eyeliner by LA Color in black. So before I go further, I just want to make sure that I apply a bit more. Back to powder. I'm really sweating right now, so I'm just gonna dab my sweat and just blend out the powder. So I'll be applying Maybelline powder in warm 109. Just blend it all together. Next is Maybelline powder in Java 375. It is very dark, so easy to contour. Just use it to snatch my face. Before looking any further, I'm just going to use my pencil, my Broke in black, to finish up my under eyelid. Feel free to smoke out the black. So I'm using the color that I used for my transition. It just makes it look softer. Up next is my Idol Lash Mascara by Lancome. So while my lash is prepping, I'll just go into my blush and highlights. So I'm using classic blush. This blush is very, very red. So you want to be very careful. Do not forget that our makeup is just very nude. So you don't want something too bright and colorful on your face. Next is Technique. It is absolutely gorgeous. It is called Get Gorgeous Highlighter, and I'm just going to apply it on my highlighted area, my T-zone, cheekbones, and chin. Let's go. On my cupid bow as well. Oops. Because it's a nude makeup look, it doesn't mean we can't put a little bit of shimmer on the brow bone. It just makes your brow bone pop the more. Lash is set. Feels like I'm a pro in applying eyelashes to my fingers now, isn't it? Maybe I'm going to do a tutorial on that, just in case you can't find your tweezers. So I'll be using Nuban Beauty in Peach. It is absolutely gorgeous. For my lip liner, it is brown, and about to find it. Up next is my Zara lipstick in Tease. This is very nudey, and guys, this is a beautiful nude look, isn't it? So I just love how we're looking already. You and I, yes, I mean you and I, because I believe that as you're watching this video, you're also giving it a try. Whew, do you feel me? So I'm just going to use a clear lip gloss by Classic. This is what it looks like. I hope you had fun creating this look with me. I'm really excited about this. Thank you so much.